In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Microsoft OneDrive account to ChatGPT. This connection can streamline your workflow, making it easier to access, store, and share files directly from within ChatGPT. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on how to set up this integration. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT. To do this, head over to your web browser and type in chat.openai.com. Once there, proceed to log in using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you're using the same login credentials you typically use for ChatGPT to ensure a seamless experience. Once you're logged into ChatGPT, look towards the bottom left corner of the interface. There, you'll find your profile icon, which serves as a gateway to various settings and options. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up a new menu that provides access to a range of customizable options for your ChatGPT experience. In the newly opened Settings menu, you'll need to locate the section labeled Connected Apps or Integrations. These options are pivotal for anyone looking to enrich their ChatGPT interactions with third-party services. Click on this section, and you'll be presented with a list of applications that can be connected to ChatGPT. Scroll through this list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you've found Microsoft OneDrive in the list, you should see an option to connect right next to it. Click on Connect, and a new window will pop up, prompting you to sign into your Microsoft account. This is a necessary step to authorize the connection between ChatGPT and your OneDrive account. In the Microsoft Login window, enter your Microsoft account details. Be sure to check that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Microsoft accounts, as this will dictate which OneDrive files you can access from ChatGPT. After you sign in, you'll be asked to allow ChatGPT access to your OneDrive files. This is an authorization step required to facilitate the integration, allowing ChatGPT to seamlessly use and manage your OneDrive files. Carefully review the permissions and, if everything looks good, go ahead and allow access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Microsoft OneDrive to your ChatGPT account. This integration should prove quite useful, especially if you regularly work with files stored on OneDrive, as it will help consolidate your workflow into a single, easily accessible platform. If you encounter any issues, double-check each step and ensure that your login credentials are correct. Happy exploring, and I hope this connection makes your digital interactions even more efficient.